want to feel that we are both valued for who and what we are, and that we belong to something greater than ourselves. Regeneration is about considering both of those deeply. If we were able to meet each other in our wholeness and act from that place, which is always generous, always wanting to give in return for the life that we have been given ourselves.
The Regeneration Guild is a community within Kernel where we're investigating the ways in which we can regenerate the earth and regenerate ourselves. And we look at how to use some of the tools that we're developing in Web3 to do that.